saying of Sayyidina Abdulaziz Dabbagh, rahimahullah ta'ala, he said that if you've seen beggars anywhere, beggars, they have something called a begging plate or basket. It's called kashkol. कशकोल किसको कहते हैं? वो जो फ़कीर मांगते हैं ऐसे होते हैं, वो कहते हैं ये दे दो, वो दे दो, etc. etc. They spread it out for the people, put some money in it, put some pounds in it, put some rupees in it, put some dollars in it. So Sayyidina Abdulaziz Dabbagh rahimahullah said that all of the means of rizq, they are like the kashkol or the baskets of the beggars. So taxi, shop, business, other means actually, you are a shop owner, you are doing business, you are all these kind of, actually you are seller, you are manufacturer, they are all empty baskets. So creation is adopting, one picks up taxi, one picks up a shop, one picks up business. He said how much ever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants, He put in there. So that is the example. One has a takeaway, He puts in there. So he said that, look, for those people, the attaining rizq becomes worship, who do not focus on the basket, begging basket or begging bowl. You don't see beggars focusing on there. They even know that rizq is not coming. Although this is means, but rizq not coming. They are looking at the hands of the givers. People, oh please give me, please give me. So Sayyidina Abdulaziz Dabbagh rahimahullah says that you should also have your eyes, gazes, and your mind fixed on the power of Allah, at the hand of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that He is the provider, not on your taxi, shop and things, etc., etc. Then if you are directly connected to Allah, your gaze is fixed, although you are using your mean, he said, then that rizq, earning become worship, because through that you are connected to Allah. But if you focus on the mean, oh, my taxi is going to give me rizq, my takeaway is going to give me rizq, then you will be distracted, you will disconnect from Allah, and you will say, if this is going to give me rizq, then I put more hours, I put things. So that in other ways become your God. So you obey and you follow and you do things for that, not for actually. So all those who said, oh, my business is giving me, where are businesses now? You're still eating, you're still not hungry, not dying, whatever risk. Some people might have less, but actually that's how much Allah 𝐂𝐻𝐻𝐻 destined for you. So all businesses are closed and you're still eating, but rather many people are having good time with the families. They never had time for the family. Now they are actually giving. So all this actually. So Allah is the Razzaq. All this is displayed so that in order for us to test.